Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Helen Angeles Galindo, 38 years old, married with two sons, 16 years old, 13 years old, and one daughter, 11 years old, living in Barangay Acaw, Cabatuan, Iloilo. I have four brothers, six sisters, and I am a child of the family, and I am a high school graduate.
Okay, so you have three children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the one taking care of your three children since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about it.
I worked in Malaysia as domestic helper for 7 years to a couple with two kids, 4 years old, 5 years old, and I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, cooking, but my main duty is to take care of them.
Okay, so your employment in Malaysia, is it in one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
And so it means you are the only one taking care of the kids and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
And how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
A hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to be able to send my children in school, and I wanted to build a house for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How will you control your temper?
I will be more patient with them, ma'am.
If you are homesick, what would you do?
I promise to focus my job, and I will do my best, and I will,
Okay, so you have to keep yourself busy, you mean?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids and elder?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call the employer.
Okay, so do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Baba black sheep, have you wedding wool? Yes, sir, 3 bag full. One for my master, one for the dame, one for the little who brings down the lane.
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good morning, mom and sir. I hope to select me as your helper. I do my best, and I promise to do my best, and I work harder for your family.
Okay, so are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested to?
Yes, mom.
And are you a happy person?
Yes, mom.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.